Here we've just installed a Kenwood 8021 into a Transit, and we've ordered the fascia from ACB so it fits nicely in the dash. So we're connected wirelessly and we can scroll through the best bits of our phone. So we can do phone calls, can access our music, we can access our maps. There we go.
Starting route to Brighton. Head east on Evershed Way, then take the first left.
It has digital radio. There's the station list. It's easy to use. You pick, press and hold. It's programmed onto that number. There's a good equaliser. Lots of fun there. It's easy to use, convenient, puts everything into one place.